Hi guys, I am Samandar Singh from Department of Mechanical Engineering, RA College of Engineering and Information Technology, Kukas, Jaipur. Today's topic is Computer and Numerical Control, that is CNC. Computer Numerical Control. Numerical control means Computer Numerical Control CNC, which is defined as an NC numerical control system whose MCU, that is machine control unit, consists of a dedicated microcomputer rather than a hardware controller that are used in NC system. The latest computer controllers for the CNC features having high speed processors, large memories, solid state memory, improved servos and bus architecture. The development of CNC machines closely followed the development in the computer technology. Therefore, the generation of CNC technology are having four generations. First generation, the control system of the first generation numerically controls machines was built with the vacuum tubes and associated devices. The system was bulky, consumed lot of power and reliability was poor. Second generation machines were built with transistors. The size of control elements was reduced. However, all the functions had to be realized through the electronic circuits. The number of printed circuits board was large. Since there were thousands of components and connections involved, the reliability was again poor. Third generation NC machines were built with the integrated circuits, that is ICs. ICs with the medium scale integration improved the reliability of the system. Drive technology also made considerable progress, that having the thyristor controlled DC drive that become popular during this time duration. Reliable and compact DC controllers were developed both for main drives and for the control of servo motors for the access feed drives. Fourth generation toward the end of 1970, while the third generation is during the 1950 to 1960. The computer design underwent the changes and microprocessors came uh, to use as the CPU of the computer, central processing unit of the computer. This change also influenced the microprocessor. This simplified the logic and control and design instead of several PCBs in the case of NC machine. The entire control could be implemented with just one PCB for CNC machine. Initially 8 and 16-bit microprocessor were used. Later the control systems with the several processors, multi-processing system were introduced. The reliability of the system was considerably improved. The development of CNC machine system still continue. Today, CNC system are based on 32-bit as well as 64-bit microprocessor. Now, additional features of the CNC machine. There are 9 additional features. First is storage of more than one part program. With improvement in storage technology, newer CNC controllers having the sufficient capacity to store the multiple programs. The controller manufacturer generally offers one or more memory expansions as the option to the MCU, machine control unit. Second, program editing at the machine tool. CNC permits a part program to be edited while it resides in the machine control unit, computer memory. Hence, a program can be tested and corrected entirely at the machine side. Editing also permits the cutting condition in the machining cycle to be optimized. After the program has been corrected and optimized, the revised version of the program can also be stored for the future use. Third, fixed cycle and programming subroutines. The increased memory capacity and the ability to program the control computer provide the opportunity to store frequently used machining cycle as macros that can be called by the part program. Instead of writing the full instructions for the particular cycle into every program, a programmer include a call statement in the part program to indicate that the macro cycle should be executed. These cycles often require that the certain parameters be defined. For example, a bolt hole circle in which the diameter of the bolt circle and the spacing of the bolt hole and other parameters must be specified. Next, adaptive control. In this feature, the machine control unit measures and analyzes the machining variables such as spindle torque, power, and tool tip temperature, adjust the cutting speed and feed rate to maximize the machining performance. The benefits include the reduced cycle time and improved surface finish. Interpolation. Next one. Some of the interpolation scheme that is described in previous lecture: linear interpolation, circular interpolations, parabolic, hyperbolic, etc., are normally executed on the CNC system because the computational requirements. The linear and circular interpolation are the sometimes hardwired into the control unit, but helical, parabolic, and cubic interpolations are usually executed by a stored program algorithm in CNC. The next is positioning features of for the setup. The setting up the machine tool for a given work part involves the installing and aligning a fixture on the machine tool table. This must be accomplished so that the machine axes are established with respect to the work part. The alignment task can be facilitated using the certain features made possible by the software control in the CNC system also, such as position set function. With the position set, the operator is not required to locate the fixture on the machine table with the extreme accuracy. Next is acceleration and deacceleration calculation. This feature is applicable when the cutter moves at high speed, high feed rate. It is designed to avoid tool marks on the work surface that would be generated due to the machine tool dynamics and when the cutter path changes abruptly. Instead, the feed rate is smoothly, deacceleration is anticipated of a tool path change and then accelerated back to the program feed rate after the direction change. Next, communications interface. With the trend toward interfacing and networking in the plant today, modern CNC controllers are required with a standard communication interface to link the machine to other computers and computer driven devices. This is useful for the applications such as downloading part program from a central data, collecting the operational data such as workpiece count, cycle time, machine utilization time, etc., and also the interfacing with the peripheral equipment such as robot that load and unload the parts. Next is diagnostic. Many modern CNC systems possess a diagnostic capability that monitor the certain aspects of the machine tool to detect the malfunctions or sign of the impending malfunctions or to diagnose the system breakdown. Now, CNC machine control unit, that is the configuration of a CNC machine tool that contain memory having the ROM, read-only memory, which is related to the operating system, RAM, random access memory, that is related to the part program, central processing unit CPU, input-output interface that include the operators panel and tape readers, and machine tool controls that include the position control, spindle speed control, sequence controls include the coolant, fixtures clamping, tool changer. The communication take place through the system buses between these component of the CNC machine control unit. First is central processing unit. The central processing unit CPU is the brain of the MCU. It manages the other components in the MCU based on the software content in the main memory. The CPU can be divided into three sections. First is control section, second arithmetic logic unit, third is immediate access memory. The control section retrieves the commands and the data from the memory and generate the signal to activate other component in the MCU. In short, we can say the sequence coordinates and regulate the activities of the MCU computers. The ALU arithmetic and logic unit consists of the circuitry to perform the various calculations, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Counting and logical functions. The immediate access memory provides a temporary storage of the data being processed by the CPU. It connects the main memory by means of the system data bus. Next is memory, that having the two types of memory. First is main memory, second is secondary memory. Main memory consists of ROM, that is related to the operating system, and RAM, that is related to the part program. NC part program are stored in the RAM devices. Current program in RAM can be erased and replaced by new program as the jobs are changed. The operating system software and machine interface software program are generally stored in the ROM. A high capacity secondary memory device are used to store the large programs and data files, which are transferred to main memory as needed. The common secondary memory devices are hard disk, solid state memory devices to store the program and other with the help of the other softwares. Next is input output interface. Input output interface provides the communication between the various components of the CNC system and other computer systems. Machine operating operator, as its name, input output interface transmits the and receive the data and signal to and from the external devices. The operator control panel is basic interface by which the machine operator communicates to the CNC system. This is used to enter the command that are related to the part program, having editing facility also. Machine control unit operates mode like program control versus manual control, speed and feeds, cutting fluids, pump on off, and similar functions can be performed. The input output interface also include a display to communicate data and information from the MCU to the machine operator. The display is used to indicate the current status of the program as it is being executed and to warn the operator for any malfunctions in the system. Next is control for machine tool and axis and spindle speed. These are the hardware components that control the position and velocity, that is feed rate of each machine axis as well as the rotational speed of the machine tool spindle. The control signals generated by the MCU must be converted to a form and power level suited to the particular position control system that is used to drive the machine axis. The positioning system can be classified as open loop system and closed loop system, and different hardware components are required to in each case. Depending on the type of the machine, the spindle is used to drive either one for workpiece as in turning, and second you can say a rotating cutter as in the milling and drilling operation. Spindle speed is program parameter. The component for the spindle speed control in the MCU usually consists of the drive control circuit and a feed sensor interface. Next is sequence controls for other machines tool functions. In addition to control of the table position, feed rate and spindle speed, several additional features are and functions are accomplished under part program control. These auxiliary functions generally involve on-off actuations, interlock, and discrete numerical data. The functions include cutting, fluid control, fixtures clamping, emergency warning, and interlock communication for the robot loading and unloading of the machine tool. Next is CNC software. The NC computer operates by means of software. There are three types of softwares. First is operating software, second is machine interface software, and third is application software. Operating software having the three software consists first is an editor. Basically, operating software, that is the principal function of the operating system software, is to interpret the NC part program and generate to corresponding control signal to drive the machine tool access. That it is installed by the controller manufacturer, stored in the ROM in MCU. It consists of the following 3 points. First, an editor which permits the machine operator input and edit the NC part program and perform other file management functions. Second, a control program which decodes the part program instructions, perform interpolation and acceleration and deacceleration calculations, and accomplishes the other related functions to produce the coordinate control signal for each axis. Third is an executive program which manages the execution of the CNC software as well as the input-output operations of the MCU. The operating system software also include any diagnostic routine that are available in the CNC system. Machine interface system software is used to operate the communication link between the CPU and the machine tool to accomplish the CNC auxiliary functions. The input-output signals associated with the auxiliary functions are sometimes implemented by means of a programmable logical control interface to MCU. The application software consists of the NC part program that are written for machining or others application in the user's plant. Next is analysis of positioning system. An NC positioning system converts the coordinate axis value in the NC part program into relative position of the tool and work part during the processing. A simple positioning system, as shown in figure, it consists of cutting tool and a work table on which the work part is fixed. The table is designed to move the part related to the tool. Work table moves linearly by means of the rotating lead screw or ball screw, which are driven by a stepper motor or servo motors. To provide the XY capability, the system shown would be piggybacked on top of a second axis perpendicular to the first. The screw has a certain pitch P, that is mm per thread, and the table moves a distance equal to the pitch of the thread lead screw. The velocity of table, which correspond to the feed rate in the machining operation, is determined by the rotational speed of the screw. There are two types of system that are used for positioning system. First is open loop system, as shown in figure A, and second is closed loop system, that is shown in figure B. Figure C indicates the optical encoder apparatus and series of pulse emitter to measure the rotation of the disc, that is part of the closed loop system. An open loop system operates without verifying that the actual position achieved in the motor move is the same as the desired position, while a closed loop system uses the feedback measurement to confirm that the final position of the work table is the location specified in the program. An open loop system costs are less. Closed loop system are appropriate when the force assisting and the actuating motions in the minimal. Closed loop system are normally specified for machines that perform the continuous path. operations such as milling, drilling, etc. In open loop system, the position of single step angle can be calculated as the 360 divided by number of step angle of the motor. It has the a stepper motor is driven by a series of electric pulses which are generated by the MCU in NC system. Basically, we can say an open loop system typically uses step-up motors to rotate the lead screw or ball screw. While in closed loop system, an optical encoder is used to measure the rotational speed that consists of a light source and a photodetector on either side of the disc. The disc contains slots uniformly spaced around the outside of its face. These slots allow the light source to shine through and image the photodetector. The disc is connected to the rotating shaft, whose angular velocity or position are to be measured. As the shaft rotates, the slots cause the light source to be seen by the photocell as a series of flashes that are equal to the number of electrical pulses. The optical encoder is connected directly to the lead screw and ball screw, which drive the work table. By counting the pulse and computing the frequency of the pulse train, the work table position and velocity can be determined. Now, positioning system in the NC machine. Precision in positioning system in the NC. Now, to accurate machine or otherwise process a work part, an NC positioning system must process a high degree of precision. Three measures of precision can be defined for an NC positioning system. First is control resolution, second is accuracy, third is repeatability. The control resolution is defined as the distance separating two adjacent addressable points in the axis movement. The addressable points are locations along the axis to which the work table can be specifically directed to go. This depends on the limitations imposed by electromechanical components of the positioning system or number of bits used by the controller to define the axis coordinates location. The accuracy of any given axis of a positioning system is the maximum possible error that can occur between the desired target point and the actual position taken by the system. We can say the accuracy is equal to the CR by 2 plus 3 sigma. CR is the control resolution, and repeatability of a given axis of positioning system is plus minus 3 standard deviation of the mechanical error. The distribution associated with the axis, this can be written as the repeatability equal to plus minus 3 sigma. The figure shows a portion of linear positioning system axis with the definition of control resolution, accuracy and repeatability of the positioning system. A desirable criteria is control resolution of computer control system should be less than and equal to the control resolution of the electromechanical component. That is, the electromechanical component or system is limiting factor that determines the control resolution. A bit storage capacity of the modern computer controller is sufficient to satisfy this criteria. The resolution of order of 0.0025 mm or 0.0001 inch are within the current state of the CNC technology. The ability of a positioning system is to move the work table to exact location defined by a given addressable point is limited by the mechanical errors that are due to the various imperfections in the mechanical system, like backlash, the gears and deflection machine component that can be further uh, controlled up to the accuracy of with 99.73 percentage, containing with the plus minus 3 sigma, assuming the standard deviation of the error. Thank you.